So let's complete the depth first traversals by adding preorder function and postorder function. We continue to use the same data, so those data have been inserted, and out of that we have tested the inorder function, and inorder function stores those data into visit vector, and then we just compare with the expected result. So here, as we call preorder with a visit function, then we expect that the vector result should have the predefined known result. So here, since we are keep using the result global vector again and again before we call result, let's clear up if any data is there before we do in order. We do so. Also, we can repeat this process for preorder and the postorder. Then the data we should get is a postorder data we determined out of the data manually. So this assertion should satisfy. So let's implement preorder and postorder. So an interface, so we will have preorder and the postorder as a private implementation for recursive ones, and then for public interface we have a preorder and postorder there. Then let's do implementation, binary search tree implementation. So public interface, let's copy in order and call preorder. Then we call private recursive version of a preorder for that. And then here is the private implementation of in order. So let's copy that and then now implement the preorder. Then it should be identical to in order, except that preorder means we do printing the value first as we visit the node, then take care of left subtree and right subtree. So we just change the order here. So similarly, for postorder, a public interface is postorder. Then we call private recursive implementation of a postorder, and then private implementation of a postorder. Let's copy preorder implementation and then change the name, then change the name. Postorder means take care of left subtree first and then right subtree, then the node. So that's a postorder. So we have completed the implementation of 3 depth first traversals. Let's compile the program and then see how it works. So the test case, we have predefined the data, and then here's our expected data out of the 3 depth first traversals, and then using a visit function which stores data onto the vector, and then after that we compare whether the vector contains expected result or not. So this completes depth first traversal implementations.